Alright, so now we continue with some more discount questions. An article bought for $70 was sold for $49. What is the percentage discount? Similar to what we've been doing, of course. 70 multiplied by 1 minus some discount we don't know, close bracket, is equal to 49. So we want to find D. Alright? So let's find D. We divide both sides by 70 again, as we have been doing. 49, 70 imply that 1 minus D equal to 0.7. We take over the D to get it positive, and we bring over the 0.7 at the same time. So we'll have 1 minus 0.7 equal D, which implies that D equals 0.3. Alright, we multiply this by 100 to get the actual percentage form, which is 30%. So an article bought for $70 was sold for $49. What is the percentage discount? 30. Alright, moving on. A boat was bought for $15 million and sold for $16 million. What is the percentage gain? So obviously this is a profit. Alright, so this is a profit. Cool. We'll just continue along the trend we are on, saying 15 multiplied by 1 plus P is equal to 16. Alright, mil, of course. Divide both sides by 15. This implies that 1 plus P is equal to 16 divided by 15, which is 1.066667. Subtract 1 from this side, we bring it over. So subtract 1 from this, we have P equals 0.06667. Multiply this by 100 to get it in percentage form. P is equal to 6.67%. Alright, and that's as simple as it gets, right? So let's move on. Simon bought a car for 1.5 mil and sold it 1 year later for 1.5 mil. What was the percentage profit? What about a discount? Alright, so was there a profit? Was there a discount? We don't know. Let's see if there was a profit. Let's do our setup. 1.5 mil multiplied by 1 plus P is equal to 1.5 mil. Alright, this is how we set it up if it was a profit. This is how we'd set it up if it was a profit. Alright, so now we divide both sides by 1.5. This cancel this, we have 1 plus P equal 1. Take this one over here, implies that P is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. So therefore, the percentage profit is 0. The percentage profit is 0. What about a discount? The discount would be basically the same. However, we'd have 1.5 multiplied by 1 minus D equal 1.5. Divide both sides by 1.5. This cancel that cancel that. It implies that 1 minus D is equal to 1. Bring this over here, bring this over there, implies that D equal 1 minus 1, which is 0. Therefore, there is no profit and no discount. which you could tell by just looking at the answer, by just looking at the question. But with every result, there's a method to finding it. So even if it's so simple, like it's so simple, there's always a method to prove its simplicity. All right, so we prove that it's 0%, 0%. So there was no profit and there was no discount. He sold it for what he got it for. All right, moving on to the last question. Alan bought a chair for $5,000. He added a markup of 20%, then applied a discount, a 10% discount. What was the markup price and final price? So first he applied a 20% profit, then a 10% discount. What was the markup price and the final price? So let's apply the 20% profit first. So it was 5,000 marked up by 20%, which is 0.2. The result is 1 plus 0.2 times 5,000 equals 6,000. This was then discounted by 10%. So this was then discounted by 10%, which is represented as 0.01. This is the discount represented here. So now we multiplied the 6,000 by 1 minus 0.1, and the result is 5,400. So what is the markup? The markup is 6,000. This is the result after we applied the 20% profit. This is the result. What was the markup price? There it is. Now, in order to find the final price, we must apply a 10% discount, which is what we did here and brought us to this. All right. We have plenty more questions to go, guys. If you have any questions, any uncertainty, let us know. We're here to help. That's J2T. Stay tuned for a lot more.